Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 11. So 11a, I will start first. We have to solve this equation 3 times cosecant 2x minus 4 times sine 2x equals 0. And we have to look for the solution in the range where x is between 0 and 180 degree. Okay, so let's solve it. Let's start it. So this cosecant is 1 over sine. So I can write it as 3 divided by sine 2x minus, and I can write it as equal to 4 sine 2x. Am I right? I take it on the right side. Okay, and again, if I rearrange things, sine 2x on the right side, so it will become sine square 2x. And on the left side, I will have 3 by 4. Clear? And if I take square root on both sides, I will get sine 2x equals plus minus under root 3 over 2. And now I have two questions to solve. One is sine 2x equals under root 3 by 2. And second is sine 2x equals minus under root 3 by 2. Okay, so 2x is equal to sine inverse under root 3 by 2. And if you remember, this gives you an angle of 60 degree. Okay, so it will give you 60 degree, and since it is periodic, so it is 60 plus 360n for any integer value n. Right? This is one solution. The other solution is 120 plus 360n. Okay, now why am I giving you two solutions? Remember, if we see the sine graph, it goes like this, right? Okay, so this is 180 degree, this is 90, and here I have 1. So when I have 3 in the root by 2, which is 0.866, 0.866. So it will give you an angle of, my drawing is not very good. It hits somewhere here. So it gives you an angle of 60 degree. But at the same time, it can give you an angle of 120 degree. Okay, so these are the two angles which corresponds to the value 3 root by 2. That's why I have two answers here. Okay, now if I divide everything by 2, so x is equal to, now I have 30 plus 180n, and secondly 60 plus 180n. Okay, and so luckily only one value lies in this range, 0 to 180 degree, so n has to be 0. So my answer is going to be 30 and 60 only. Okay, these are the two answers for this part. Okay, now we'll do this, go to the second part. So again, 2x is equal to sine inverse minus 3 under root by 2. Okay, and again, it will give me two values, which are 120 plus 360n, and second answer is 300, sorry, not 120, about 240. Yes, I make a mistake here. This is 240 and 300 plus 360n. Okay, why am I doing this? Because at minus 0.866, I have again two answers. One is, okay, remember this value is 270. So this value is 30 degree less. So it is 240. This point is 240. And the next value is 30 degree more. So it is 300. I'm sorry, my drawing is very, very bad. And I'm using a pad, so it's making it worse. Okay, so x is equal to 120 plus 180n and 150 plus 180n. And again, luckily, n has to be 0 in both cases because we are looking for solution within the range 0 to 180 degree. So this is going to be 120 degree and 150 degree. So my four solutions are x has to be 30, 60, 120 or 150. Okay, so this was part 1, part A. So let me do part B now. Okay, so what is part B? We have to solve this equation 3 times tangent y minus pi by 4 equals under root 3. And we have to look for the solution between y is 0 and 2 pi. So y has to be between 0 and 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 degree. Okay, so you can see if I take 3 on the other side, so it will become tangent of y minus pi by 4. And this bracket is important. I hope you know this. Is equal to under root 3 divided by 3. Right? Okay. And this will become, sorry, 1 over under root 3. Okay, and if you remember, if I have a triangle, a right angle triangle with angle, if this angle is 30 degree, and this is 1, this is 2, and this is under root 3. So tangent of 30 degree, this is 1 over under root 3. Okay, 30 degree means pi by 6. Okay, so when I take y minus pi by 4, oh my god, yeah, pi by 4, this is equal to tangent inverse 1 over under root 3. And 1 over under root 3 is going to be pi by 6, we just saw, right? Pi by 6, and of course it has tangent function is a periodic function with period pi, so this is n pi. Okay, this is n pi. Okay, so from here you can see that y is equal to pi by 4 plus pi by 6 plus n pi. Okay, so pi by 4 plus pi by 6 will become 5 pi by 12. 5 pi by 12 plus n pi. Okay, so you can see that when n is equal to n, when n is 0, I get one answer, which is 5 pi by 12. And when n is 1, I get the next answer, which is 17 pi by 12. Okay, this corresponds to 75 degree, and this corresponds to 255 degree. Okay, but since we have to give the answer in terms of radians, so I will leave it in this form. Okay, so that's it. I hope you understand this whole question. If you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.